From Long Beach to Compton, under the West Coast sun, the vibe of Gfunk, it's our emblem, our fun. In the streets of LA, where the beat hits strong, it's the sound of the West Coast, where we all belong.
Crushing through the streets, man, that's all we know. Dodging bullets in the pain in the Cali glow. Young and black with a target on our back. D-O-double-G on the mic with his unique flow. Each beat a hypnotic glow. In the dark alleys of the city, we rollin' slow. Ain't no fun without Gfunk, it's just hollow. Regulators locked up.
Warren G and Nate Dogg, Uptown this tale. On the West Coast, the Gfunk sound will never fail.
Like this, Gfunk Productions.
All of the West Coast sound, the vibe of Gfunk, it's our emblem, our fun. In the streets of LA, where the beat hits strong, it's the sound of the West Coast, where we all belong. The G's in the lab, creating timeless tracks.
Chronic, nothing but a G.
All eyes on me, never lax.
California love with Tupac and Dre.
Gfunk, the culture, a style phenomenon.
From Oakland to San Diego,
The Gfunk sound,
drive with a vibe. The West Coast, rolling down the boulevard with the top down low. Gfunk vibes pumping everywhere we go. Still PRE blaring as we cruise the streets. In the land of palm trees, where the Gfunk be every baseline thumping in every city call. Gfunk's the soundtrack to our West Coast. From Watts to Inglewood, the grooves in our veins. Gfunk forever reigns in our sunny domain.
Warren G and Nate Dogg, Uptown this tale. On the West Coast, the Gfunk sound will never fail.
Like this, Gfunk Productions.
All of the West Coast sound, the vibe of Gfunk, it's our emblem, our fun. In the streets of LA, where the beat hits strong, it's the sound of the West Coast, where we all belong.
Vibe of Gfunk, it's our emblem, our fun. In the streets of LA, where the beat hits strong, it's the sound of the West Coast, where we all belong. The vibe of Gfunk, it's our emblem, our fun. In the streets of LA, where the beat hits strong.
Warren G and Nate Dogg, Uptown this tale. On the West Coast, the Gfunk sound will never fail.
Like this, Gfunk Productions.
All